Another platform has been released in which you can link your alternative WhatsApp and earn naira from it daily. Okay, so this is ATM05. It has the same layout just as WH Jobs, 22 Job, and MK8 Club, just different colors, but they are all under the same thing, linking your WhatsApp account. Note, for all of these updates, never, I repeat, never connect your main WhatsApp account. Always use alternative WhatsApp account. And then received some comments on the other video about GoShare. So let me just say something about GoShare. GoShare requires you to link your main account. That means an account that has been registered for 6 months. That is definitely your main account. So GoShare requires you to use your main account. While these platforms you can use your alternative work account and they don't ban that much. Then also as regards to the update, AFATM is getting removed from the top WhatsApp to earn platform because of now they are banning users like the what they do causes ban on WhatsApp. So ATM05 is just like this, they are all the same. It's the same way you connect your WhatsApp. Note, if you don't know how to connect your WhatsApp to these platforms, comment down below. I would make a video about that. But if you do know, let's just continue. So I did actually place a withdrawal of 1,000 coins. It's going to be 1,300 because of um the withdrawal fee is 300 points. So I placed a withdrawal of 1,300 points, and which gave me 300 naira. Note, that's the thumbnail. So the price you're seeing in the thumbnail is how much I placed withdraw, and I received it instantly. So you can just connect. And also, when you join now using the link in the description, you get 888 points for free. So just leave your WhatsApp connected, like 3 WhatsApp connected for overnight if you are watching the video now, or connect it for like 20 hours plus, then place withdrawal and withdraw money. Then they are offering a promotion which you can get soft 6k. Okay, so let me explain how to get this thing. So first of all, you register using the link below. Use the link. When you register, you go over to your promotion tab, link your WhatsApp, get another additional 5 sims, or refer 5 friends that connect their WhatsApp account to it. So once your accumulated commission has reached 1,000 coins, join our WhatsApp group, send a message to the admin, then I'll send you um ATM05 was not WhatsApp, Telegram details. That means you have to send the message to their admin, and then they'll send you 20k points, which is equals to 6k. So you just need to invite 5 people apart from yourself. Invite 5 people using your referral link. Join using the link in the description. Refer 5 people using your referral link. You go over to promotions to get it. Get an accumulated commission of 1,000 coins, along with 5 daily active users and active users too. That's just 5. So that you now send the message to the administration. And if you don't want to join our WhatsApp group, though, for that you can actually join our WhatsApp group for updates, because there was one update that we shared days ago which paid today, and it paid massively. So if you have not, you can join our WhatsApp group in the description below. You just go over to service, then you join their Telegram group, then you see the admin. So you say you want to become a VIP, that's receive the VIP free points, and then you get it. So that's how to get the free 6k. That's as the title says. So thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can click on this subscribe button down. If it's gray, it means you are good to go. If it's red, that means you haven't. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Have you? So I expect you to have subscribed. So when you subscribe, you can click on the notification bell to get notified immediately there's any update. Know that some updates are actually time limited. So that means the update is like, it's always lasts for like 30 to 1 hour. So within that time I can't make a video about it. So that's why the WhatsApp group is there. So you can join the WhatsApp group for updates. I repeat, updates that are legit. You share them. Crypto updates, make money online updates, Then for long time updates, we upload a video on the channel. Then you can consider liking and comment if you have any issue or anything with any of the platforms, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.